Hello, David here, and the project for today is diagnosing a speaker that's not working. The speaker's right behind here. I have to pull the whole door panel off. I'm going to pull this little thing off. There's a cover over the screw. I don't know if you can see that. There are Phillips head screws along the side there. There is screw right behind there, so that cover comes off. There's two screws behind here. You just have to pry up this cap just as a friction fit. There's a couple of I don't know, hooks or something molded into the plastic. You just pry from underneath, it'll come out. And there are two Phillips screws over there. Let's remove the cover from the door handle. Just going to pry up in there with the screwdriver side of my knife. There we go. See, that piece just pries out. There's a screw there and a Phillips screw right there. For these little round covers, I like to use a pick. When you're at the dentist, get one of these rubber tip styluses from your dentist. They usually give them away at the end of your appointment. Pull the rubber piece off and take your grinder and grind a little point on that. It's good for getting in the little tiny places. Just pry that out. There it goes. Now to go find it. Well, crap, it's somewhere in this rockery. It's going to take me a while to find it. Okay, removing the vent panel. On these side screws, there are only two on the outside. And there's only one on the inside, but be aware on the bottom. There are two down here that hold the bottom. And there's one black screw that comes from the door lock. After you remove this screw, it's a matter of just unpopping this panel. And then the door lock. Just disconnect that fastener. There we go. And down here, this long screw comes out of there. Doesn't feel like there's any clips holding this door panel in. This vent over here seems to be in the way. There we go. There's a lip along here that slides down along the window. So it just hangs on that lip. Here we have the speaker. There's three screws holding that in. I'm going to take that out so I can get to the electrical connections so I can put an ohm meter on the speaker. There's a jack, there's no clip on it. Just pull straight out. And as you can see, it only goes on one way. Here's the first test. I'm going to hook up a 9-volt battery to the terminals of the speaker. I know it's a good battery because I just took it out on my smoke detector. Hear that? That means it's not the speaker. Okay, got my ohm meter set on the buzzer. If there's continuity, you'll hear the buzzer. Can you hear that? We have continuity. So I need to find the short somewhere in the wiring. And these are the wires I got to track down. It's the white with the black trace and the brown with the yellow trace. I pull down on both directions, nothing's giving way. But I got a feeling it's somewhere where this door bends in here. So I'm going to try pulling this out, see if I can check the continuity on those two lines. Well, I didn't find the short, but I was wiggling all the wires around. I removed this jack and I was pulling on the wires. All the wires were fine. I reinstalled the jack. I wonder if it's just a bad connection in the jack. Either this jack or the jack that goes into the speaker. But as you can see, the speaker's not working. Thanks for watching.